Hello traders and welcome to our OptionsXO London Session Daily Market Review for Tuesday, April the 26th. Starting it off in Asian markets, major stock indexes in China and Japan closed down this morning as Japan's leading indicator dropped by 5 points and investors await central bank meetings in the US and Japan. A drop in crude oil prices and concerns over China's growing debt is pressuring shares down. In Australia, shares are also down on volatility in the oil market, while Aussie and New Zealand dollar futures are slightly up due to light holiday trade. Moving on to US markets. US stock indexes closed trading yesterday in the red after the new home sales reading came in much worse than expected. The Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index also fell by 0.3 of a point, and the US dollar managed to gain some strength overnight thanks to a slight improvement in economic data and a less hawkish outlook from the US Fed. And in European markets, all European stock indexes are beginning the day in the red after yesterday's IFO business indexes came in worse than expected. Analysts had expected an increase for April, but were disappointed when numbers were actually dropped. In commodities highlights, after taking a rest on profit-taking following rising prices, crude oil futures this morning are on the rise. Gold prices continue to consolidate as the dollar strengthens. Chinese data continues to improve and risk sentiment rises. And cocoa continues to rise on a disappointing crop and expectations of falling supply. And here are today's important economic events. At 12:30 p.m. GMT, the US durable goods orders print will provide the US Census Board's measure of income for durable goods manufacturers, an indication of US production activity. Analysts are expecting a 1.8% rise after February's 3% drop. At 1 p.m. GMT, the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index will give us some insight to the US housing market. And at 1:45, the Market Institute will provide composite and services PMIs. Those are the readings of production manager activities in these sectors. At 2 p.m., we'll have a US consumer confidence reading, and at 10:45 p.m., New Zealand's trade balance. This was today's London Session Daily Market Review. Have a happy and profitable trading day.